We got a lot to talk about. Through the next 24 hours, we're going to see the chance for strong storms and widespread flooding. Right now, downtown, you are seeing some heavy rain, 65 degrees at the airport right now. Looking at the radar map, we are going to continue to see these scattered showers pretty much through the entire evening, on and off, especially south of the city. You can see some thunderstorms in Cobb County, North Fulton County as well. Metro getting wet. The majority of the heaviest rain right now is down in South Georgia towards Eatonton and Griffin, Lake Oconee. Some heavy rain as well. A lot of lightning embedded in this batch of rain that will lift in overnight, but the stronger storms are still well off to our west. You can see the tornado watch extends along a line, which is really where the cold front is located right now in Mississippi. That line is going to take until tomorrow morning to move into our area. So overnight, we are going to see scattered thunderstorms. A few could be strong to severe, but the main severe risk arrives around the time that the sun rises tomorrow. 7 a.m. is when that front begins to push into Georgia. You can see that line of strong storms tomorrow. It is going to be a mess on your way to work. You're going to want to give yourself a lot of extra time on the roadways because with the overnight rain, we could already see some roads with minor flooding. It will reach Atlanta and Metro through the late morning. Gusty winds, heavy rain, lightning, and we can't rule out isolated tornadoes. Now, after this system pushes through, it's going to continue to rain pretty much all day. So this is going to be a washout day tomorrow. The severe storms are most likely through the first half of the day, and then that will give way to a constant rain through the evening. Temperatures will fall from the mid 60s in the morning to the mid 50s in the afternoon. Now, as the storms progress through the day, they're going to get stronger. So the highest chance for severe weather is actually off to the east. Atlanta and Athens under a 15% risk for severe weather, but Eatonton over through Augusta, a 30% chance that you will see severe weather within 25 miles. The main risks, again, obviously going to be for the very heavy rain, but there's a high risk for damaging winds, and we could also see a lot of lightning as the system rolls through. The chance for tornadoes is low, but it is still present through the day tomorrow. But what I am most concerned about is the flooding. Just through the next 24 hours, guys, we're going to pick up anywhere between 2 to 4 inches of rain, especially in the mountains. That could cause widespread flooding of creeks, streams, even some rivers. And with the wind, we're likely to see some scattered power outages tomorrow, especially south of the city. So these are all going to be factors that you're going to want to take into account for your day tomorrow. Good idea to make indoor plans if you can. After this system moves through, it gets cold and the mountains could even see some flurries on Friday. Very active weather through the remainder of the week. We'll see a small system move through on Saturday, bringing us some scattered showers, and then we're going to be back into a very warm and wet pattern by this time next week. Barmel?
Let's take a look at these